This is a 2007 GMC Envoy. This vehicle has seating for 5 adults and a 4.2-liter inline 6-cylinder engine. Features include aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear stabilizer bars, cargo tie-downs, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Legacy Toyota is located at 890 Brookway Boulevard in Brookhaven. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.